Yeah, Labor Day weekend, we are all headed to the Harley-Davidson Hometown Rally. That's right, we're going to be rolling Milwaukee. I'm Jesse James Dupree, along with this Harley-Davidson dealership right here, giving you a chance to win this brand new 2021 Electra Glide Harley-Davidson motorcycle and many more prizes, including a trip to the Harley-Davidson Hometown Rally in Milwaukee. Swing into the dealership today, pick up your Rolling Milwaukee voucher, and register to win big. And don't forget, while you're in the dealership, be sure and download the app so that you can increase your chances to win. Milwaukee is where it all started. It's the birthplace of Harley-Davidson. You'll tour the Harley-Davidson Museum and you'll see that history unfold right before your very eyes while we're making a little history on that Labor Day weekend. So get on out to the dealership today and check out the new line of Harley-Davidson motorcycles. They're absolutely incredible. And don't forget, pick up your Rolling Milwaukee voucher because we're heading to the Hometown Rally, Rolling Milwaukee. Pa-pow!